Hey guys, let's see how you can connect your Tapo C425 to a new Wi-Fi. So it's super simple. You have to just reset the camera. You can do it from here, from your Tapo app. If you come to the menu all the way down and remove camera, then the camera is going to reset and you can start over, right? And the other way to do it is just come directly to the camera and reset from there, which is more common because let's say you're moving, right? If you're moving, you cannot reset from here, from this menu, because you're getting a new location and you don't have the old router. So what I have to do is just come here, open this flap and reset the camera. Some Tapo cameras you can just hold for 5 seconds to partially reset, and then you can just change the Wi-Fi. But for this model, the 425, you just need to completely reset the camera. So you just press and hold here until you see the LED flashing. There we go, I'm holding. Then I'm gonna see flashing red.
Reset successful. Rebooting camera. Please wait.
Okay, so here's the message, and then you just need to start over here with the setup. Just come here to the main screen, and then the camera is going to disappear from here after a while. You just need to come here to the plus signal and start over. You see the camera is no longer here. Then I just tap here, add a new device, and select outdoor camera, and then the Tapo C425. C425, there we go. It's flashing there, so just continue. Join the network, meaning your cell phone is connecting to the camera. You can try again. Sometimes it just pops up the message that's trying to connect to the camera. The idea is that your cell phone needs to connect to the camera at first. You see, it came back here. So what I have to do here, if it's like keep just popping up the message, you just come here and connect directly to the camera. You see that you have your cell phone connected to the camera. There we go. And then you can continue. Just observe here this animation. There we go, it found the camera. Now you can just select the network that you want. You see here my router. I can just tap on reselect and choose any router that's available. And just hit next, next again, and then you continue with the setup.
Connecting to Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi connected.
There we go. You're gonna hear this chime, and the camera changes the LED here to steady green. There we go, steady green now, and then you can name your device and continue from here with the setup. That's the traditional setup. And it's complete. I'm just put the camera back there so you see some motion. There we go. I'm gonna skip this free trial. Here the Tapo hub that I have in the network, the SD card, I already have it there. The firmware update. And just keep hitting next here until it finishes. There we go, here's the camera. So now it's connected and it's using the new Wi-Fi. Okay, I can come here and I can check it's using the new Wi-Fi. Okay, basically that's the way that you can change the camera to a new Wi-Fi. You need to reset and start over, then you select the new Wi-Fi. I hope that helps. Please leave your comments here, subscribe to this channel, and give your thumbs up. See you in the next video.